Try this effective cancer-fighting breakfast smoothie. Cancer is the chronic disease which is very widespread nowadays. In most cases, doctors prescribe patients a chemo. There are a lot of specialists who recommend to cure cancer with the help of natural products. They claim that a lot of fruits and vegetables contain a great amount of antioxidants, so they can fight cancer cells and prevent their appearance. So if you suffer from cancer but want to try a chemo-free treatment, or you are healthy but want to reduce risk of cancer, welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Two main ingredients of our smoothie are famous for their cancer-fighting abilities. Beets and cabbage are full of antioxidants and flavonoids to reduce existing cancer cells and prevent the development of the new one. Red cabbage and orange are the perfect match for the cancer-fighting smoothie, as vitamin C increases the power of the anti-cancer nutrients which are included in cabbage. Also, vitamin C helps you to fight cancer as it boosts your immune system. Ingredients: 1/4 red cabbage, 6 oranges, 6 fresh beets. To prepare our smoothie, put in the blender chopped red cabbage, orange, and beet juices. Mix them well. Your smoothie will be ready in 2 hours. Put it in the fridge and wait. Enjoy your meal. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out these cool videos. Goodbye.